If you've been turned down for Social Security disability benefits, it's important to appeal that decision and not start over. A lot of people get turned down and they get discouraged and they keep starting all over and submitting multiple applications, but when you do that, you lose benefits. It's important also, in my opinion, to hire an attorney to help you through the process. They have certain guidelines with regard to the medical conditions and certain guidelines with regard to the mental conditions that people on the street normally aren't going to be that familiar with. An attorney can help you frame your case and develop the medical evidence, meet with your doctors, and submit testimony to the judge and evidence to the judge to help prove that you actually qualify, that you actually have a condition that's going to keep you out of work for a year or longer. It doesn't cost anything to the claimant to hire an attorney, and we only get paid a percentage of what you receive, which is the 25% with a maximum of $6,000 per case, and we only get paid if we win. So it's really helpful in presenting a case to have an attorney help you. But if you get turned down, you have to appeal within 60 days, and those are very short deadlines. On the initial application, you get turned down and then you have to request reconsideration. About 75% at least of the people who request reconsideration are turned down again. Then the next step is where you have to request a hearing before an administrative law judge. And we actually go before a judge and present your testimony perhaps of witnesses or people that are familiar with your condition, including your healthcare providers, and present a full case at a informal hearing before a judge. Yeah, and that's a good question. A lot of people think they can't afford to hire a lawyer to handle a Social Security disability case. It's important to know that the first consultation is completely free. There's no obligation on behalf of you to hire a lawyer. Just go in, talk to the lawyer, find out what the lawyer thinks that they can do to help you. But what's important to know is we don't get paid in your Social Security case unless we win your claim. And that's standard for all Social Security lawyers. The fee is 25% of your past due disability benefits or $6,000, whichever is less. So unless you had a large amount of benefits coming to you, it could be a fee that's less than $6,000 or could with a maximum of $6,000. And we don't get paid until you get your past due check. Now, the Social Security Administration will automatically withhold our attorney's fees. We also do incur some costs, though, in proving your case. For instance, in meeting with your doctor and obtaining medical records to submit to the judge. Those costs are extra, but again, you aren't required to reimburse us for those costs until you win your case and until you get a past due check. We know that it can be difficult for anyone that's on disability to have any extra money to pay a lawyer or to pay costs, so I don't require that you reimburse me unless I win and until you get your past due check.